If you are looking for a tool with the help of you can launch your courses, sell digital products or offer your coaching, in this video I am going to show you the SkillPlate. This is the tool with the help of you can launch these kind of the courses or the digital product. So I have just created a demo course here, 30 fitness reel script, and you can see this is on the pre-order. So this is how its curriculum show out, and this is the landing page it has also generated for me. And here's the best part, this is all the stuff generated with the help of AI. I have just given the information and it has just built the course for me under the 5 minutes. I'm going to also give you a detailed demo on this, whether it's actually working or not. So right now SkillPlate is available on the app so starting from the $79. This is the lifetime deal you will get, and if I go to its pricing section, you can see we have the tier 5 plans available. So every tier plan is going to give you the extra limits for the context, means the students you can enroll, the active users, the storage as the videos you can store in the platform. We have also the commission fee. So higher tier plan is going to cost you the less commission fee, and if you want to just opt in for the 0% commission, you can also enable this one, that is will cost you the $400 around extra, but you will get the 0% commission fee for your lifetime. So based on your requirement, you can just try out any of the tier here. I suggest go with at least the tier 2 because here we have the sufficient the credit limits, the students and the active users, whatever the thing you are just checking out the platform, tier 2 is will be the suitable for you. So once you got the lifetime deal, this is the platform you will land. So here you have to just simply click on the login, and this is the dashboard you are going to log in. So here right now I'm going to show you it's AI that can just build the course for you out of nowhere. So simply you have to go to the product section. I have already created a product here, and this is how its product page will look like. For the settings, you want to change the name, the description, all these stuffs you can control from here. Like right now this is the course free, but I can also accept the one-time payment, installments or the subscription charges. Then if I scroll down below, we have all these settings available. Like right now I can just enable the pre-order, means before actually launching my course, I can just set a pre-order price and there will be the really nominal cost, or I can also offer the free. So that thing we can select here. Then this is the another settings, we can just scroll down till the end, or here you can add the educator information like their profile photo, name, description and their social media channels. Okay, so this is how will look like. But right now let me just create a new product right in front of you with the help of its AI. So simply click here on the new product, and here you will find out the category, whether you want to launch the your online course, the product bundle, either it's a digital download product or the generic product. So my product will be the online course, so I will select here, and now you have to just simply add the name of that course. Like this is the name, how to optimize Google business profile and rank #1 on maps. Okay, so this is a detailed course name I have given with all the details available. So now after that I have to select here like what kind of the course you are creating, whether it's for the development, sales, business or the accountability. So I will go with the business, but I can also select the sales. So now after that we have this button, generate course. Simply click here, and now its AI will working on creating the course for you. It can take some time, so you have to be patient and wait for it until all the course is generated. But after the generating, you will be amazed with the quality it has given you. Okay, and here's my course is generated. You can see this is the product name, this is subtitle, and this is the description about the course, why this course, skills you will gain, the course requirement, best for testimonial. It has automatically added the few testimonials, and I am really surprised with that. Okay, now let me scroll down below. I can just set up whether this course is actually free or one-time cost. Okay, then we have the copy payment link. I can just share this payment link with anyone. Then we have the social media links that I can enable. So let me enable the YouTube here. Then if I scroll down below, we have the course status. I can mark it as the published, or then I can also enable this option, auto publish modules and the lessons. So I will click here, and this will be the auto published whenever I just launch the new modules or the lessons here. Then we have the sales channels, cross sales visibility. Means I have also the few more other courses or the digital products in my this platform, then they will also appear for the cross selling. So I will mark it, then I will also create a listed page of the courses, and yes, I can just enable the pre-order, and this is the launch date. So let me enable this one, and we have the content settings: enforce module order, enforce lesson order, enforce video watching. Means I am enforcing the my students that until or unless they are not watching the this particular video lesson or module, they cannot go to the next module or the lesson. So you can also enable this thing. Okay, then this is the course thumbnail. Here I can also go to the below, and this is the course library. This is the landing page, and it has actually created a landing page for me. So let me click here on the view page and see the landing page it has generated for my course is good or not. So let's see, this is the template, I can change it. Okay, so everything seems really good. This is the course program. We have the 10 modules and the 40 lessons. So I'm really surprised the detail it has given. For example, this is the module 1, and we have the 4 lessons. In the module 2 we have the another 4 lessons. In the module 3 we have the another lessons. Okay, so I'm really surprised with it. I think it will took around just the 3 to 5 minutes, and my course with the landing page is ready. Now let's see what else we have here. So we have also the custom email. So with this I can also create the custom email templates to specifically in these products will be the used whenever a student is going to enroll in this course. They will just receive this email updates on their inbox here. Okay, then this is the educator information. I will simply add the my one of the educator profile photo here. Okay, then simply click here on the done. Now I can add the name. Let me add this one, the title, the educator, and I can also enable the social media channel thing. So then after that simply click here on the save, and this changes will be the saved here. Okay, so this is how your courses setting or the editing page will look like, and in the end this is how your course will look like, magical and stunning. Okay, so this is how you can use the SkillPlate, one of the really good lifetime deal I have just recently found on the app Sumo for just creating and selling your digital courses, your products, your personal coaching, all this stuff. And you can also add the video lessons. So platform has everything to offer and the control, and right now starting from the just $79 you can get it here. But if I compare with its monthly pricing without any lifetime, so if I go to the pricing section on the skillplate.com, you can see the pricing is the $79 per month here. Okay, per month. Okay, and in the lifetime deal we have to just pay the one time, don't need to pay the every month, and we will get the lifetime access. So definitely here's the this lifetime access is worth it and the valuable, and the efforts it is just costing me launching a new course is so much minimal. Okay, although I can still do the adding more information, the lessons, but the minimum efforts is so less here. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed this video on the SkillPlate. I have the more videos on the AI tools and the SaaS software. You can check out my YouTube channel. Make sure you also subscribe this channel to stay updated, and bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.